are currently at Pie Canyon and I've just slid down the waterfall. It's like one of the things you have to do here. Not Pie Canyon, we're at a waterfall in Pie. We met some people in Chiang Mai called Ed and Lisa, and they gave us a lift over to Pie. All the locals are sliding down this waterfall, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I have seriously bust my foot. Just slid down, obviously in the wrong place. I should have landed on my arse rather than my feet. It was like 2 foot of water, so not very safe, not very clever. And we are staying in the skate park hostel tonight, just so I can skate. But if I bust my foot, then what's the point?